Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong number for n-digit number in Java. This is condensed to previous video, part 36. Armstrong number for 3-digit number in Java. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is the Armstrong number? Here we have 153. First we need to get individual digits like 1, 5, 3. This number contains 3 digits. So we need to do sum of cubes of individual digits equal to 153. Here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equal to 153. So 153 is Armstrong number. We have another number 1634. First we need to get individual digits like 1, 6, 3, 4. This number contains 4 digits. So we need to do quadruple of individual digits like 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. We need to use modulus and division operator to get individual digits. Here we have 153. 153 divided by 10 will get quotient as 15 and remainder as 3. Later take 15 and divide by 10. Here 15 divided by 10 quotient is 1 and remainder is 5. Later 1 divided by 10 will get quotient as 0 and remainder as 1. Here we got individual digits like 3, 5, 1 from the number 153. We will discuss this logic over IntelliJ, launch IntelliJ and create Java application. First step is we need to read input from command prompt system.out.print. Please provide input number. Create object for scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner and pass system.in. We need to invoke nextInt method and assign to integer variable int input equal to sc.nextInt. Declare variables double result equal to 0, int count equal to 0. Count variable will be used to store number of digits from the number. We'll use for loop to get count of digits. For int temp equal to input temp not equal to 0, count plus plus temp equal to temp divide by 10. We will declare one more for loop to find given number is Armstrong number or not. For int temp equal to input temp not equal to 0, temp equal to temp divide by 10, int remainder equal to temp modulus 10, result plus equal to math dot power. Here power function taking two parameters as double and returning double power of pass remainder comma count. Here remainder and count are integer variables, but we are passing as a double. Integer is 32 bit and double is 64 bit. It will convert implicitly from integer to double. So no need to convert explicitly. If input equal to result system dot out dot println input plus is Armstrong number. Copy this statement, else paste here and change to is not Armstrong number. Execute this code, go to run, click on run main. Please provide input number 153. 153 is Armstrong number. Go to run, click on run main. Please provide input number 1234. 1234 is not Armstrong number. Go to run, click on run main. Please provide input number 1634, enter. 1634 is Armstrong number. Using this program, we can find Armstrong number for any number. We'll debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here, go to run, click on debug main or shift F9, later click step into or F7. Click on debug main, click on console, F7. Please provide input number 1634, enter, F7. Here input is equal to 1634, F7. Here input is equal to 1634 is assigned to temporary variable. Temp is equal to 1634. Here 1634 divided by 10. Now temp is equal to 163. Count incremental by 1. Later temp is equal to 163. 163 not equal to 0. True. Here count is equal to 1. Here 163 divided by 10. Now temp is equal to 60. Count incremental 1. Count is equal to 2. Now temp is equal to 16. 16 not equal to 0. True. Later 16 divided by 10. Now temp is equal to 1. Count incremental 1. 1 not equal to 0. Here 1 divided by 10 will get 0. Here count is equal to 3. Here count is equal to 4. Later 0 not equal to 0. False. It exits from for loop. Here input assigned to temp. Temp is equal to 1634. 1634 not equal to 0. Later 1634 mod less 10 will get 4. Here remainder 4. Here math dot power of 4 comma count 4. That means 4 power 4. Here temp is equal to 163. 163 modulus 10. Get remainder is equal to 3. Now 3 power 4. 3 power 4 add to result. Later temp is equal to 16. 16 modulus 10 will get 6. 6 power 4 and add to result F7. Here 1 modulus 10 will get remainder as 1. Here result is 1633. 1 power 4 means 1. 1 add to 1633. So result is equal to 1634. The temp is equal to 1. 1 divided by 10. That means 0. 0 not equal to 0. False. It exits from for loop. Here input is equal to 1634. Result is equal to 1634. Both are equal. So 1634 is Armstrong number. Here we are getting output as 1634 is Armstrong number. Here we use for loops to find Armstrong number or not, but we can use while loop. You can try with while loop. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.